So Myanmar has had a really inspiring digital story. If you go back to 2015, only around 15 to 20% of people actually had access to formal financial services, and a couple of years before that, very few people even had a SIM card. If you fast forward now to 2020, we've seen 125% mobile penetration, around 85% smartphone use, and businesses like Wave Money have been a massive accelerator for financial inclusion in the country. Wave Money began back in 2016 with only about 4,000 agents, covering around 160 of the 330 townships in Myanmar. If you fast forward now to 2020, we have a massive network of around 60,000 agents, covering nearly 300 townships. So we effectively have almost universal coverage. Certainly around 90% of the rural areas Wave Money is covering. A lot of the business of Wave Money is actually money transfer and domestic remittances, and we've seen a huge increase in that over the last 6 months. So far this year we've done around $3.4 billion US in money transfer, and we've served, in terms of unique customers, around 24 million unique customers since we launched the business in 2016. When you consider the population of Myanmar's around 53 million people, this is a huge percentage of the population. In terms of commissions which we pay out to agents, we've increased that in the last 6 months to around 27 million US, and this is money that goes directly back to the agents in our network, who are very often the micro and small business people of the country, and really the economic lifeblood of the country. So Wave Money is certainly providing a very important and useful service for the people of Myanmar. The strength of the Wave Money business has been built off the back of over-the-counter money transfer, and this has really enabled a very low-touch transfer for people to be able to go to our agents and move money from one point to another point around the country. The future of Myanmar, though, is digital, and we're seeing that accelerate significantly during this COVID-19 time. To really address this digital opportunity, in 2018, Wave Money launched WavePay, which is our universal digital app to really be at the centre of our customers' digital lives. So through WavePay, our customers can move money, send money to friends and family, they can buy airtime, they can pay many of their bills, they can make donations, they can play games, and they can use ticketing services. So our vision really is to be at the centre of our customers' digital life, and through WavePay, we're seeing a massive acceleration of that in the country right now. During this period of COVID-19, we're seeing an acceleration across all of our business. In the agent business, we're actually seeing customers not wanting to go to bank branches, and they're going and using agents because they're very close to where they might be. On the digital side, we've seen a huge acceleration. If I look at the transaction growth from the same period last year, we've seen around 800% increase in our digital transactions during COVID-19. People are finding that it's a very easy way to pay for goods online or through Facebook merchants, and there's certainly been an acceleration of that. We're also seeing an acceleration of during COVID-19 of WavePay being used by humanitarian and donor organisations. So Wave Money has been sponsoring many organisations and actually assisting NGOs and other organisations to collect donations from customers. So these have been very positive ways in which we've seen customers react to the digital opportunity and start using WavePay. And secondly, for Wave Money to be a really important member of the society that we're in. Wave Money has a vision of really bringing everybody into the financial system in Myanmar over the coming years. We have a goal of reaching 11 million monthly active users by 2024, and we're well on the way to doing that. COVID-19 has seen an acceleration of the use of digital, and we expect that to continue as customers really find how easy it is to use apps like WavePay. In terms of our response to COVID-19, we were the first organisation in Myanmar to go out and actually make the disbursement of donations and NGO disbursements free. And we've actually seen a 300% increase in the number of disbursements that we've actually been doing since this period began. The great thing about that is that we feel we're actually making a strong contribution to society and really making it easy for people to receive these disbursements, and we certainly expect to see that increase even further over the coming months.